Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial, I will walk you through the process of making eye-catching videos for your social media platforms. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use Canva's AI-powered pictures and AI video editing tools to revolutionize your content creation process. So whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, this Canva tutorial will help you make the most of your YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok videos. So let's dive in and begin the process. So here we have a blank page. The size is for Instagram Reel. So what we're creating is an Instagram Reel. So the first step is to go to design. Once you click on the design tab, you will be able to see this generate videos instantly, this feature here. You click on it and then it will open you up to where you can upload. You can either upload your video or select from your uploads. So I already have my videos, the videos I want to use for this content. I already have them uploaded, so I'll just go ahead and select. You can select up to 10 videos or images, whatever you want to use for your content. So I have 6 of them selected. And then I'll come down here and insert my prompts. So my prompt is 5 simple self-care tips for a happier you. That's my prompt. And then I'll click on generate. Within a few seconds, my video will be generated. Interestingly, this video comes with a music synced to your video. So you will see that. All right, here we have it. So this is what we have. It has generated our video. This is the first page, and then the second page, the third page, the fourth, fifth, and sixth. Let's play it so you will see let's start from the beginning to play it. All right, so this is what we have. Now we can go ahead and format to how we want our video to look like. So let's start with changing the fonts for the text. I'll be using a font called The Season. Let me see if I still have it somewhere here. Here it is. The Seasons. I can also increase the font size. I think I will keep this icon that AI gave us. Then this background, I want something lighter. So as you can see, the AI gave us a background effect for our text. But I'm going to change that to something. Let's click on this and see. Okay, let's leave it at this. So this is what we have for this first page. We can also edit our video. Let me show you. Let's go back to that page. Now here is this video. We can also edit this video. Once you click on this edit icon, it will bring you up to this page where you have this interface where you can adjust your video. You can adjust the one. So adjust just the way you want it. We can tilt it, tint it. We can also increase the brightness, but I'll just leave it at this. So when you're working on your own video, you just edit just the way you want it. So these are all the different settings you can do to your video. For the next page, I'll also change this text to The Seasons. To change for all the pages, so that I won't have to do it one after the other. So this is what we have so far. So it has changed for all the pages. So we have the same font. So this is our video. You can also decide to add a closing page or I'll just delete this page. I don't have any content for it, so I'll just delete it. I don't need it. And so this is what we have. So this is it for this video. So this is how you can generate your own video content in Canva, right? Using AI. You just have to upload the videos you want to use or the images you want to use for the video, and then AI will generate it for you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next tutorial. Bye.